Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of our team, I would like to welcome you to our consultancy pitch on Amazon. Today, we'll walk you through the central challenge of using warehouse data and how it can be turned into sustainable value. The problem we address is critical. Amazon must balance centralized data control, local adaptability in fulfillment centers, and human oversight. Without this balance, warehouse data cannot be turned into sustainable value. We choose Amazon as our case organization. It's the world's largest online retailer, active in more than 70 countries. It runs more than 300 fulfillment centers, now supported by over 1 million robots. With a deep fleet AI model, robot efficiency improved by 10%, and over 700 employees were retained to work with AI. In 2025 alone, Amazon invested over $100 billion in AI and automation. This skill shows both opportunity and complexity.
To address Amazon challenge of balancing centralized control, local adaptability, and human judgment, we combined AI with human expertise. We used a chatbot on core and presentation papers to generate insights, then critically assess and validate them against literatures and Amazon context. We examined the AI's reasoning and finally added human synthesis and judgment to ensure the advice is academically sound and practically relevant.
Our main recommendation for Amazon is to adopt a hybrid governance model. Central teams set standards for data quality and security, while local centers get autonomy to innovate. Most importantly, keep humans in the loop. AI drives efficiency, but human judgment ensures accountability and discovery of new value. This balance will allow Amazon to realize lasting value from its warehouse data.
In accordance with the core papers, the three presentation papers collectively highlight the tensions between the dynamic nature of big data and organizational strategy. Constantino and Kalinikos 2015 show that big data's volatility undermines long-term strategic tools, forcing firms like Amazon to balance centralized algorithmic optimization with local human judgment to avoid hyper-focusing on short-term goals. Gunther et al.'s 2022 article extends on Wixom and Watson's 2001 article by shifting focus from system success factors to how data's value is continuously reconstructed and repurposed, as seen in Amazon's ability to reuse warehouse data across multiple functions. Warner and Wixom's 2015 article bridges both of the core articles' perspectives, showing that firms respond to big data challenges by expanding their strategic toolbox while stressing the need for clear drivers, governance, and resources to prevent fragmentation. After reading through the research, we think Amazon should approach warehouse data as a socio-technical, strategic resource rather than just a technical optimization problem. To realize value, it must balance tensions between central algorithms and local human input, supported by organizational engagement and governance. Since big data is volatile, Amazon should avoid televisioning short-term conclusions by integrating human judgment into long-term strategy. Value emerges through ongoing reconstruction and repurposing, so processes should enable experimentation and broader use of data. And ultimately, warehouse data should serve both operational improvement and innovation.
In our AI chain of thought analysis, based on all mandatory course material, we identified four key insights. First, core paradox. Amazon challenge is balancing efficiencies with agility. Centralization ensures standards but risks rigidity. Decentralization drives information but risks fragmentation. The solution is hybrid model. Second, data governance. A federal-led approach sets core standards while allowing local autonomy supported by social alignment. Third, human AI. Humans provide oversight and discover new value while AI drives efficiencies best combined in human in the loop system. Finally, strategic actions. The key actions are to adopt federalist governance, invest in cross-functional skills, develop agentic AI with oversight, and build continuous learning loops. In the next analysis, we drill specifically on the core paper and the three presentation papers to frame Amazon's challenge. The results seem similar to the previous one. Core paradox. The solution for that is also a hybrid federalist model that combines both centralization and decentralization. Data governance: a strong central core must provide standard and security while local warehouses adapt and innovate. Social alignment and shared competence are essential to make this work. Human and AI: humans uncover latent value, interpret ambiguity, and provide oversight. Algorithms deliver efficiencies and automation. A human in the loop system integrates both effectively. Finally, strategic action: adopt a federalist government governance model, foster experimentation, invest in cross-functional skill, and treat data as strategic historical embedded asset. As a technology professional consultant, I take three steps to address Amazon warehouse challenge. First, I apply theory to practice by assessing Amazon data quality, governance, and business goals. Second, I identify blind spots in AI reasoning, especially ethical and cultural gaps. Finally, I combine AI and human expertise to design a governance framework that enforces central standards, supports local experimentation, aligns with Amazon long-term goals, and preserves customer trust with clear human-in-loop processes. Our discussion statement in this case organization is: Amazon's biggest risk is not losing technological advantage, but losing customer trust in how they use data.